Okay, so welcome to how to change the title of your audio. You're going to want to look for tag editor. When you click on that, pick whichever audio you're wanting to alter that title for. Give Audiolab that permission to do so, and you're in. From here, you're going to need to add a couple things in order to save. Album title, you have to. So even if there's not an album, make one up. Anything, just put something there, because if you don't have an album title, it won't save. Then you're going to want to add some artwork just for fun, because why not? I mean, you don't have to, but I do. I always like to add a fun picture, something current or whatever, and just leave it on the default setting. From there, what's your audio title? This is where you get to change it. So make it whatever it is you wanted to change that audio title to, or that file title to. Then after that, it's just a matter, as you will see here shortly, of also making sure the artist and the album artist are altered as well. Now for the artist, it will automatically usually say Audiolab there. Change it to you or whoever's singing, and the album that you made up, change that album artist as well. And then I always like to put the year. This just helps me keep things organized. I find it helpful. And then, once you've done that, you'll be able to save it, which you'll see here in a second because I'm nitpicking. Don't mind me. You'll also notice that there are several other categories in which you can add to. You could add comments, disc numbers, track numbers. I mean, you can really go all out if you want. But it's most important to at least edit up into the year category. And there's your output. I like to press play just to make sure that it actually did what I wanted it to do, so I can listen in, make sure that the file's working.
How many times you been killing this shit? Find another rhyme, goddamn trigger shit. Fuck rap, buzzing like an addict with a semi-automatic. Who done had it and you ready for anybody to bug back? Hold up, catch a vibe, ain't no way in hell we leaving nobody alive. Leave a suicide, no fuck that. Got the feeling villainous, she killing this. I'm coming for your man.
So just a reminder, everything we just went through was done under the tag editor in your Audiolab menu. Now I am going to show you an alternative way to do this under your files. If you find that original audio file, click on it, select it, and go to your More section. It will give you the option to rename the audio from the actual file extension where it's saved on your phone, tablet, computer, and you can just alter the name right then and there from your files.
With the illest of raps, calling yourself the greatest alive, then you don't deserve to do that. No, please do not do that. You gon' get smacked, you gon' make gata attack, you gon' make kitty cat snap, you gon' make kitty cat snap, kitty cat. Fuck rap, bustin' like an addict with a semi-automatic. Who done had it and you ready for anybody to bug back? Hold up, catch a vibe, ain't no way in hell we leaving nobody alive. Leave a suicide, no fuck that. Got the feeling villainous, she killing this. I'm coming for your man and his lady and even the baby. I'm feeling like I'm chicky.